Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kalen from White Glove Models and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing review of the Minicraft VC-137C. This is a 144 scale of the Freedom 1. This just came in the mail today. Literally just went down to the post office and picked it up, and I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's do that. So this is the Minicraft model kits 144 scale VC-137C, and it has the Freedom 1 livery. So we'll see what those look like here in just a second, but I'm excited. Let's get this open, and I can't wait to start building this one. It's probably going to be a little while before I get to it, but for now, let's just see what's in the box and what you're going to get if you decide to buy this. And, you know, I'm really actually more impressed with the Minicraft kits than I thought I would be. I did start working on the Messerschmitt, which you guys saw, and that's just here right now. I have some putty I need to sand out of there, and then this is going to be painted later today, or primed at least. But anyways, look at the size difference. So both of these are 1/44 scale, and that is the difference. So I actually... I believe RW Hobbies has put this kit together on his YouTube channel, and I cannot wait to get started on mine. Like I said, it's probably going to be a little while, but I'm going to just open these up, give you guys a sneak peek at what's inside, and just do a quick review of what I see and what to expect if you were to order this. So the cool thing about the Minicraft models that I have experienced so far is, sorry, there's the neighbor coming home in their big loud truck. I'm going to go ahead and open up this fuselage so you guys can see it. Wow, this is impressive. Let's see if we can get a good view of all of the good detail in there. There isn't a whole lot of flash on these kits, which has really impressed me. But these Minicraft kits, I've been very surprised with the quality of them. And this just kind of goes together here. There is a little bit of a fit issue in the back here, but that was easily fixed. I just popped it back together. So there you go. I mean, that is the fuselage of the aircraft right there. And already looking really impressive, and this will definitely be a fun build. But like with the build of the Messerschmitt, it is such a small little tiny model that you could easily, if you just wanted to throw something together, even this kit, I would say you could throw this together in a weekend. Or just, on a rainy day or whatever, and, maybe put it together with your kids or your grandkids and just have a lot of fun doing it. And, just remember, I mean, they are your models. When you buy it, just build it for yourself. Build it how you want to do it. I have a tendency that I will think that way. I think, okay, I'm going to put something together real quick, but it ends up becoming this massive project that I have a couple of builds going right now on the channel that I thought, okay, I'm just going to slap this together. It'll be a fun, relaxing build. And it ends up turning into like a 4-part series. So anyways, that's just me. But this is the Cockpit Glass, which will be going right here. And again, straight out of the box, pretty good fit. When we get to this, I'll have some cleanup to do and make it fit a little bit better. But all in all, everything in these Minicraft packages just seems to really come together. So let's open this up and take a look. You've got the engine parts here. And again, just almost no flash on these, which is really cool. And the fit is fairly good on these, like I was saying. And it kind of leaves you to just a minimal amount of cleanup if you're one of those people like me that has to, go back and clean everything up and just make it look prettier. But this is another, it looks like these sprues are all individually packaged. All right, let's get this one out and take a look. There are a few pieces floating around here, so I don't want to lose those. But here you go. This is sprue number 2. And you've got, parts of the rear wings here. And then these look like a bunch of tires and then more engine parts there. Again, very, very little flash, if any. I mean, you can't get too picky with these models because they are fairly inexpensive and you're not paying a whole lot for them, but they still, I'm honestly very surprised with how these kits have been turning out. And for me, they are a ton of fun to build. Let's just dump everything out of the box, get it out of the way so you guys can see better, and take a look at more of these sprues here. Check out what the wings look like, and you've got 2 sprues for the wings, so it's a top and a bottom half, and they've got 2 little tabs here which are going to secure it into the body or the fuselage. And so far, I mean, it's got a lot of good detail in it. The lines are good, and I don't even remember. I think I paid maybe $10 for this kit. So, I mean, that's a smoking deal. And you get a good, fun, quality build for $10. I mean, just something to do over the weekend. And it's all up to you on how much detail you actually want to put into it. So that's the fun thing about building models is you are in control of what you want to build. You don't have to listen to all the people that say, oh, you've got to build it this way or do this, or why didn't you do that? You know what? They can do that with their own model. You build for you and do what you want to do. And that's one of the things that I've kind of had to relearn while making YouTube content was that I started out thinking, okay, this is how I want it to be, and it's got to be 100% perfect. Well, you don't have to do that. But here you go. This is the decal sheet. You get 1 decal sheet with this kit, and it's probably what I'm going to end up using. These windows here, I don't know. I mean, I don't want to get too crazy with it, but could always do something a little bit different. And I'm not going to be building this for a little while. It's just going to go into my stash, but anyways, there you go. That is that. And let's see what these destructions look like. So here, this is what you get in the box. This is a couple of pages. The Messerschmitt was only 1 page. So, this is a couple of pages, and you've got a little bit more detail on your parts layout and the actual assembly. Let's see what else is in here. There you go. So this is actually a little bit more detailed than the last instruction booklet that we got from Minicraft. The one for the Messerschmitt was just a single page, and boy, oh boy, it packed everything into about 4 little pictures. So this one it's nice to have a little bit more detailed information on the build and better diagrams of what you're going to be putting together. So I'd say if you wanted to, just something to throw together over the weekend or whatnot, this would be a really easy kit to do that with. You can always get as detailed as you want, but there you go. And that is the markings for the USAF VC-137. And it does have a couple of different paint options. I guess there are a few different paint schemes, but you still have the same decal sheet right there. But there you go. This is everything that we got, including the very important instruction booklet, because you do need that. Some people might not, but I know I need to follow directions sometimes, even though it might look like I don't. But here you go. This is the fuselage for the aircraft. Plus you have 4 sprues that come with that, the cockpit, your decals, and your destruction booklet again. So all in all, I would say I'm very impressed with this so far, and I look forward to putting it together, and you guys will get to see it down the road when we do build it on the channel. So I would definitely recommend this kit if you find it for a good price. I wouldn't pay anything over maybe 15, 16 bucks for it, but here you go. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and I will see you next time.